Alright, hello guys. You just missed me? So today I'm doing a video on the 2005 Silverado. It seems that when it's 100 degrees out that the fans decide not to work. Shut that stupid thing. So in other words, oops, covered up the mic. That doesn't work. So what I've got in there is a part to hopefully freaking fix it, because I've got no fan speeds, and that's what's leading me to believe it is the resistor yet again. Another thing I've looked at, I got the resistor on Amazon, and it also came with the wiring harness, which I don't think I'm gonna be able to put the wiring harness in today, because I don't have the banana plugs or anything like that. Probably could get them pretty easily anyway. So yeah, that's what I bought on Amazon, 24 bucks. It's lifetime warranty. Owning this truck since 2016, this is now the third time we put this in. They don't last, and like I waited a couple days because it's like, I don't know. I don't even roast me for it, but it's like at AutoZone the damn thing was 50 bucks, and at what is it? Amazon was like 24 bucks. And it was, AC Delco was even more. And it's like, what the hell? So, I'm like, well, I can live with air conditioning for a week or a couple days. I mean, this happened Monday. Wednesday was July 4th, so I had a one day it. Ordered it Tuesday morning and showed up yesterday. But now it's Friday, and now I'm putting in today. Hopefully this fixes it, because if not, I don't know. I guess now we're going to start winging parts left and right at this damn thing. I can't blame it. I mean, it's worked for me flawlessly. I mean, I've tried to take care of it, insanely. I'm also researching how to use tire eject on that rear tire. I'm going to probably end up trying that. But there's no puncture or nothing. It just freaking leaks. So that's why I think it's a bead leak or the rim leak, and I'll just put some tire eject on it. And, I got a big enough air compressor where I can probably deflate the tire. But it's like, my understanding, putting a, 4,000 or 5,000 pound vehicle on the rim when the tire's deflated, it's pretty bad, maybe? I don't know. Is that my thinking? So maybe I'll get jack stands and just put it under the truck so that it's not, like, or something, so it's not, I don't know. Maybe I'm just being over, cautious to it, but, I mean, that does kind of have to last until maybe August at this point. Because I think I'm going to be like, you know what? It's ran fire for me, but my poor brother's now got to go to college. And, he's got a little Focus. And this is Northern New York. This is where we wake up one morning and there's 3 feet of snow. And your boss is like, oh yeah, you're coming to work still. And it's funny because I show up to work and I screw up everybody's, freaking attendance. Because that's how it works. The farthest person away, if they get to work, the person that lives a minute away better come to work, or I guess it counts in other words. So enough for me yammering on. I'll get the tripod out and we'll start going through this. And hopefully fixes it. Just has to last till August, I think. So yeah. Oh. Probably take the key out so I don't electrocute myself. That's another thing I gotta talk to you guys. So at the firehouse, we're remodeling all of our doors. We're going from 10 feet doors to 10 foot doors, 12 foot doors. So anyway, our chief, I was there taking out the electrical boxes, for the front to make them wider. And he's like, yeah, anything you can reach. I said, just pull the electric out. Well, my freaking luck is I touch a bypass circuit that we couldn't even locate it. It's been 34 years since that thing was built and nobody knows where the plug was. Yeah, I touched that off with a screwdriver in my hand. I couldn't feel my hand for about 5 minutes. It was pretty exciting. So, if I can do this in here. Yes, we will return it to Amazon. I don't want free oil changes. This is the new wiring harness I was talking about if I need to replace it. But that doesn't look too very friendly. But that's something I can fix too. And get the stupid thing out one-handed. That's what we're gonna go for. This is the resistor that I guess controls your fan speed. So yeah, it's located up in there, which you'll have to find it because this looks different. Actually, you know what? It's right here. It's right here. So my truck's got the cover removed, and it looks like the wire's enough. So it looks like there's one bolt missing and only one bolt holding this stupid thing in. This looks freaking wrong. What the hell? See the opening? Oh, I know exactly who did this, and it was not me. Holy moly. Alright, I better get one hand on this, or more than one hand on this, and I'll start tearing this apart. But, I think I found a problem. So, alright, let me get this off. So, what you're doing is, you're pulling this. I can't pull it with one hand because I'm going to have to hold it. And I don't have a small enough tripod, and I just got my knee on rust again. So, yeah, this doesn't look too very right. Okay, now it's been about an hour later. I went over to a local guy who ended up just rewiring it because a certain somebody doesn't like me wiring things. So I just had him do it. But that's that damage. Fused right in there and it's melted. So yeah. The next thing I'm going to replace is a blower motor. Made in Mexico. So that's the next thing I'm going to replace, because he strongly suggests I replace that one. There's probably nothing wrong with it, but he said there's probably something that's drawing too much current, because now this is the third time this is fried. And I guess it's kind of normal for these things to happen in these kind of trucks. So all I'm going to do next is take my stick lighter, which probably not supposed to use a stick lighter, but I don't care, I'm using a stick lighter. And I'm just going to touch these off and then probably wrap it around with electrical tape. That makes the most sense. Wrap this up with electrical tape and then put it back together and it'll be good as new. So yeah, Silverado 1, Chris 0. No, I'm just kidding. Holy God. I really would like to punch the engineers who designed this freaking thing. Holy God. But I got it in there. Got that nice and in there. So the next thing I'm going to replace is that blower motor, but without further ado, that's not good. Alright, I guess I've got to fix this now. Because it didn't make that noise to begin with. So, alright, I'll be back. Guess it's not fixed. Okay, let's try this again. My smart ass didn't have it in the right way. Oh, you just... And just like that, I'm a freaking genius. No. Alright, well that's good. Oh my gosh. I heard that noise, I'm like, oh come on! Don't tell me it was the blower motor! God damn it! But it wasn't. So, I'm now going to go inside and clean this mess up, and yeah, I'll catch you guys later. In the next video you'll see was replacing that blower motor. Maybe not, but that's what I'm going to replace next. So yeah, let's see if it holds back to where I got to go and back. Cool. Actually, there's another screw there. I think I know where that came from. That came from right... It's gotta go right there though. He gave me an extra screw. Just to hold it. There. Cool. I'm a freaking auto mechanic now. Just kidding. Oh man. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a good one. And I'll just get that new blower motor in and then we'll call it this for this repair. Thanks guys again.